Generate same format automated Excel reports to PDF. Say we have Excel report and we can generate multiple PDF reports in the same format for different department or products or units. Let's see our Excel reports. Here we have a data tab and a report tab. This is a sample file. You may create your own report. In the data tab, we have some items in months, and we have region, and we have some value, maybe sales value. And from this data, we create a some sample report with two charts. This is for the north region. If we change north to east, the report will be changed. There are formulas for each graph. These data are coming from charts data coming from this data sheet, same as here. So when we change to south, the report will be changed. So now we want to create this report for each region and save as a PDF file. In our folder, let's see. So these are the output file for each region. We have the report. Let's open one PDF file. So we will create this PDF reports for each region through running a macro. If we come to our macro file, so this is a separate file. So we need to give the source folder path and our output folder path where our PDF reports will be saved. And after that, when we hit generate PDF reports, the report will be created and saved as PDF automatically. Here we need to one thing to remember, we need to give the each region name here. You have maybe department or units, you need to give whatever name in this table. This is an Excel table, so we need to paste value here. So this is actually coming from our data sheet, and you see we have a region, 4 region, whatever the item number name you have, you need to give in this table. Now we close this file, and also we delete this our final reports as PDF. And when we come and run the macro, we will see our output. Let's hit run macro. So our reports have been generated and saved successfully in the output folder. So you see our all the reports are here. This is the final PDF report for each region. So one thing we need to remember that, so in this cell C3 we need to give the file source path. So our Excel file is here. This is the sample report. So we need to take this file path. So to get the file path, shift right click and copy as path, and we need to paste here. Again, for to save output in a folder, we need to give the folder path. So this is actually our folder. So to get this folder path, we need to back and take this folder path. So shift and right click, get the copy as path, and need to paste here. So then our final output will be saved here.